There you go. All right. Now let's see if this YouTube will work the third time. There we go. It's working. Did somebody share the link in the chat, please? Andon, can you share the link in the chat for TikTok? Jen is not around today, so I need... someone to share the link. Charlie, Chris, Andon, someone. Please share. Push the little arrow in the bottom right, copy the link, and then go to Slack and put it in Slack. Makes sense. Thanks, Kyle. Can you put it in the regular chat? Thanks, guys. Oops, I put it in premium by mistake. I meant to put it. All right, no trades yet. It is Wednesday, April 24th. 24 is my favorite number. So, it's going to be a great day. Already decided that. If you're on YouTube, please hit that thumbs up. Again, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, to show you guys the algorithm so you can get some more information. We can answer questions live. And yeah, and so you can see it working in live order. So it's 9:33 right now. I still have not taken a sip of water. And I walked like 5 miles. I was really hot before, but then I went and washed my face, and then I got water. I just hadn't taken it yet. Ooh, Kyle's in this Santa short, $175. I am not. If mine were slightly too far. My data is slightly different. That's all you need. You need $50, $100. If you have 10 Apex accounts, you can have 20 Apex accounts. We're back to the magic line. Let's see if we bounce here. Ooh, $500 on platinum. Hell yeah. $500. Also, gold is in a trade. And it was more than $500 because it was even lower. It was down at 912, so maybe like $600 or $700. All right, platinum's in that short. That's a premium. This is a premium play. And gold is in a short for $130. All right, we did bounce off that.
Order filled.
Oh, you know what? I don't care about that one.
Stop filled.
We did bounce off that.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled.
So we go back to the there we go. Target.
Stop filled.
All right, got a little there. I got in late. I got distracted by platinum, but the long on
Order
15,
filled.
17, that was a level from this morning. The same level from this morning. So it went from 15, now it's at 50. Like, that's all you need. That's one manual trade that you could have taken. The student play is playing. We're at 50. The student play is slaying. Gracias. Got it. Good job, Trey. Now we're at 55. This is one of our big targets. Yeah, this is the NASDAQ. and the S&P 500 and oil and gold and platinum all on the futures market. But if you guys look at the magic line, it really knows what it's doing. And the level was 15. This is part of the premium service because you get that algo if you're a premium member. But we actually use this more in a manual sense, like this one setup in a manual sense. $15 to $17, now up to $57. That's a 40-point move off of one bounce. That's $800 per mini. If you want more information on the algos or my mentorship, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I go live every morning, 9:30 to 10:30. Both on TikTok and YouTube. If you want to go back and watch some of my YouTube videos, my YouTube is BoldBot 2 words. Am I missing Santa shirts? The student play was amazing. So this was our student play here. Actually, take this off. And we have favoritism to the long side anyway. Pulled back into the chop zone. It was actually here to begin with. Moved out at the open, pulled back, ran up, back to that 28. And now we're at 68. 68 hit. Nice job, Irma. In and out, another green day. Nice job, Mike. Mike is one of my students. He's also an algo member. He's trying to do the slow and steady. $300. That's all you need. Kyle, 2 trades and I'm done. Swag, who said you can't make $200 a day? Listen, he's at $400 a day. Easy. Yeah, but the other day someone was like, oh, I can't seem to make 100. Like, he has all these PA accounts. He's like, I can't seem to make 150 a day. And I'm like, you absolutely can. You absolutely can. If you just put a little bit of time and effort in. Just a little bit. I'm going to need to hear some more people that got the long.
Order submitted.
We're almost at our ultimate target in the 80s. Not sure what everyone's doing today.
Order submitted.
Wednesday, the move is there. Good job, Deb. Deb got it. And it's crazy because I didn't even get in. Yeah, I didn't even get in probably till like 30,
Order
35.
canceled.
And I still was able to grab like $200 off of one of my evals. Really quick scalp. But what I should have done, like, I was ready to get long at like 15, 17 because of the magic line, in addition to that being a level at like 8 a.m. today. So yeah, there should be like at least 100 of you. Andrea said she got it. All right, make sure we see that in the student chat too, guys. Want to make sure people see the value in both the mentorship videos and the daily call. Most times we'll have like 55 people on the student call. Today there were like 43. And I know like things come up, people have things they have to do. But listen, that is going to be the way that you make your money. Like, hands down. You have to, like, people carve out time for things that they want to make time for. Obviously, if you have a stand-in meeting with your boss every day at 9 a.m., that might be an issue. But that is why I type out every single part of the student call. I add a picture and I put it in the student chat. So you can go back and read it and have that knowledge and information for when the market opens. Everyone should have gotten this long. This long was so freaking easy. So freaking easy. And it's still going. Remember, our ultimate target is in the 80s. Let's see if we get there. We're at 75 now. Brandon got it. Nice job, Brandon. Jason, did you get it?
Order submitted.
Where did we just go to? I just saw 80, so... Oh, 86.50. What a surprise. That's the exact level we were going to. And I mentioned to them we didn't have any reports today. There were no reports happening. Deb got it again. There were no reports. Nice job, Carlos. It was all in the open. You give it a little bit and you take that trade. Because we got the pullback. I saw the pullback. This was 9. I said, you wait a few minutes. 9:35 was the pullback. You got the pullback, and then it broke through again. Everyone should have gotten this trade. So Wednesday, like there's just no reason you shouldn't have gotten it. And even the first one went from 30 to 50. So that's 20 points right there. 9:34, it pulled back to 15, and then it ran to the ultimate target with really no pausing. Maybe at that 75 for a second. That was it.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Like, if you're not joining the student calls, you're really missing out on a lot. All right, ES early hit, NQ Oracle hit the offset. ES Oracle had a $100 loss. All right. I think my Santa, maybe I didn't. Oh no, it did. It took a trade. It's read like $180. Nice job, Deb.
Split 1. Split pace. 20 minutes, 24 seconds per mile.
Okay, it's 9:45. Nice job. Caleb got a chunk. Nice job, guys. Nice, 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 nice. Make sure you hit that thumbs up on YouTube. Tap that screen. Again, Apex, the sale for Apex is 80% off. You can get a $50,000 account for $34. That ends on Tuesday. We all use Apex on these algos, on the manual trades. You can have up to 20 Apex accounts that are live and funded and just making you money. So, $34 per account. When you pass the evaluation, which you can do in one day, because they're doing a special right now, 1 day evaluation pass. But maybe it takes you 5 days. Maybe it takes you 7 days. That's okay. There's no time limit on it. And then
Order submitted.
you pass the evaluation. You pay the one-time fee for the funded account, the PA, the performance account, and then you have a fully funded account. you get 100% of the profits for the first $25,000. So if you have 10 accounts,
Order canceled.
$250,000, so $25,000 from each account is 100% yours. Apex does not take any type of a cut. Then after the $25,000 on that account, not total, but on each individual account, then they take 10% and you keep 90%. It's a really great setup. You're not risking any of your own capital. You have the ability to really leverage yourself because you can have 10, 20 accounts and you make $100 a day, which is so easy. Make $100 across 10 or 20 accounts. You just made $1,000 to $2,000 in one day.
Order
And now
submitted.
you're making $20,000 to $40,000 in a month off of $100 a day. There's on average 20 trading days in a month. You make $1,000 a day, that's 20,000. You make $2,000 a day by having 20 accounts. $100, again, just $100. You can make that by trading micros off my student play. You can make it by trading micros off of some of the algos. You can mix and match, whatever. Diversification is the best way. But $100 is so easy to make in the futures market. The market's open 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. You have a lot of opportunities. We trade overnight, we trade in the morning, we trade in the afternoon. The trading never stops. So, I'm saying that to say, how much profit does it take? What do you mean? To pass an evaluation account? It depends on which account you choose. So, the most common one in my group is the $50,000 account. The $50,000 account to pass evaluation is a $3,000 profit. This morning I woke up to $2,500 on one of my evaluation accounts, and I started it today. So I'm $500 away from passing that evaluation account. The bot is $500 for 21 days, and then $1,000 every month after that. So you try it out for 21 days, see if you like it, see if it works for you. Again, you can also go the mentorship route. The mentorship is not the algos, but it is 16 hours worth of videos. It's the morning call. This was the student play today. We get on a call every day from 8:45 to 9:15. We took the long here outside of this green gray box at 25, 28, and our ultimate target was 86, and it already surpassed that and went to 90. And the mentorship is a one-time payment of $1,500. You could have made $1,500 on this one move. So, definitely worth it. You can use a cash account if you prefer, but a lot of people really like the ability to use Apex or a funded program because, again, you're not risking any of your own capital other than that $30. And you can have 10 to 20 accounts, whereas NinjaTrader will never approve you to have 10 or 20 cash accounts. And then you would obviously have to have the cash to fund it. But could you also have a cash account in addition to 10 or 20 Apex accounts? Yes, you can. All in the same subscription. So you're paying one subscription and you're essentially making money off of 20 different accounts. Really, or 21 or 22. Some people have two cash
Order
accounts.
submitted.
I think Shannon said he has 3 now. So he could have 23 accounts all making money off of one subscription. The minimum for a cash account is $3,000. Now, NinjaTrader is going to tell you the minimum is like $400. But to trade micros and have a buffer and just have the ability to trade day after day, even if you have like a bad day or two, $3,000 is appropriate for micros. Thanks for the roses, Brandon. If you want to do minis, then I always say 8 to 10K is the minimum. Look at the little party. You're so sweet. Today is actually a very celebratory day, so thank you for that. All right, I'm drinking more water. I have pickleball today. Actually starts at 10. I might wrap up here at like 10:15 and then just head right over. Can you teach us how to use the bot and configure it? Yes. So all of that is discussed once you join the group. It all depends on if you're using a funded account, what's the trailing drawdown, how much do you have there? And then if you're using a cash account, okay, you have, this much in your cash account, a loss on this. Like when you join, you get access to a spreadsheet that shows you every strategy. Like this is scalper. The risk with one mini is $200. So that is listed in the spreadsheet that it's a $200 risk. And then you have that knowledge to then say, okay, if I took one micro is a tenth of the size of a mini, so you're risking $20 instead of risking $200. And then there's no target on scalper, it just runs. So you could make $20 on the win,
Order submitted.
or you could make $100 on the win with one micro.
Order submitted.
So it's in a short now. You can see the stop loss is at the 200. What would be the $200 mark? See if we drop here. We already hit our ultimate target for the long, so wouldn't mind. Here we go, $200 guaranteed green on this trade. I didn't touch it. I'm not doing anything. It's doing it all on its own. $260 on the short. So if you had one micro, that would be $26 because it's a tenth of the size. But like I said, there's no target. So this could keep dropping, say to $500, and then that's $50 on one micro. You took two micros risking $40, and now you've made your $100 on the day, and you're done for the day. Your $100 across your 10 or 20 accounts, that's your $1,000 to $2,000 on the day. Yeah, you can use any funded account as long as it works with Rhythmic or any other connection within NinjaTrader. So if you're not sure, you can always, if it's Rhythmic, 100%. If it's not Rhythmic, then you would need to ask the funded company if they connect with NinjaTrader.
Order filled.
Or email NinjaTrader at platformsupport@ninjatrader.com and ask them if it works with that company. Good morning. Make sure you hit that thumbs up on YouTube, please. There's 12 of you and only 4 likes. That is so sad. If you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. Yeah, Kyle, that picture's not going to be in there. Felix said he caught the train,
Order
now he's got to
submitted.
catch a flight. Andrea said got that. Student
Order
play, that's
canceled.
no. Brandon, student play, all PAs are up, evals in the works at the bottom. Nice job.
Order canceled.
Alright, so Santa took the offset there. So this is today so far. These are all students. They all know what they're doing. Beast, $700 across all of his accounts. This was at 8 a.m. What? For what? Dana.
Order canceled.
500 to 600 across all of his accounts. Again, this is what people are doing. They have 10 to 20 accounts. They make their goal every day and they shut it down. And then they show up tomorrow and do the same thing. This was another account he had, $1,300. Mike, in and out, another green day. Again, $200, $300 across all of his accounts. Kyle, 2 trades and I'm done. $400 across all of his accounts. Down bad trader, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14,000 by 9:40 in the morning. Carlos, the student play. These are all of his Apex accounts. That short dropped, huh? Oh yeah, it did. It's back down to 50 now. From 90 to 50, that's a 40-point move there. Nice job, Brandon. Reddish GC LIS from last night, was able to gain some back with the student play. Done. Nice job, Andrea. Mentorship, student play done by 10 a.m.
Order
Nice
submitted.
job, Laura. And another short here. Oh, that one grabbed that one too. That's good. That platinum is still in that trade Ooh, that was a nice move there. Let's see if we go back down to 660.
Order filled.
28 would be first.
Target filled.
Target filled. Listen, a little scalpy scalp, $200 on this short. Yeah, that was a nice short too. But hey, you made your money off the long. We have no FOMO over here, right? We are just doing what we got to do. Ooh, broke through that 28 quickly, back to that 15. That 15 was an area.
Order filled.
Is that 15, 17 going to hold, or is it going to drop to 700?
Order filled.
You know, I'm watching this 17. Between 17 and 28.
Stop filled.
Ooh, 28. Alright, I grabbed a scalp in that. Ooh, $250 on this. This is why I can't take my eyes off, because it bounced right at that same area. 13 to 15. I think this is the same one we just, from this morning, talked about. The 28's holding. All right, let's see if it can break that 13, 15, 17 area. That is a strong area. But again, we're already back in the chop zone, so we wouldn't actually care about this here.
Order filled.
Where? Like that. No. No. We literally just talked about reversals yesterday. What did it go to? 40? Well, you can't say that, Beast, when you literally just posted that you took a short. That's not a trend play. I don't think you know what that means. I think there's some confusion there. All right. So now we're pulling back up to 40. This is where the magic line is. Yes, Taco Bell, chop zone, so many things. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here soon because I'm going to go hopefully get some time in with my partner. He is, he wasn't there yesterday, and I'm hoping he's there today because we have a tournament this weekend, so we need to practice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. Oh no, that was 3. 3, 4, 5. Laura got even more money. Lauren's levels are live. Listen, I try. Okay. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. And I'm not sure if Jen's going to be live. She probably won't. But if she is, it will be 2 to 3. And then will be live from 3 to 5. But if Jen might have some personal things going on and she may not be able to go live today, and that's totally fine. So, excuse me. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Will definitely be live from 3 to 5. Let's have a great day, and thanks for joining. All right. Bye, guys.